So for problems 5 and 6, we still have coordinates, but we don't have a graph. So where does the y-intercept occur? Yeah, when x equals 0. And remember, it is 0, comma, b. So my x value is 0 and the y value is b. So I go right here, boom, y-intercept. What is the y-intercept?
0, 1.
Yeah, so b is 1, right? See how that works?
Yep.
Now, we said the rise over run. Watch this. If these are linear, and we know that they are because they say line, I could pick any 2 points. So what do I do to get from 7 to 13? Add 6. That is for the y value. What do I do to get from 2 to 4? Add 2. That's for the x value. So my rise over run would be 6 over 2, which reduces down to 3. That's it.
Do I get this now?
I don't know, maybe.
I get this now. It's easy.
All right. What's the y-intercept here?
140.
Yes, it's 140 because x equals 0. Now, it doesn't matter. We could pick any point. To get from 80 to 60, what did I do? Minus 20. And to get from 15 to 20, what did I do? Add 5. So my rise over run is negative 20. That's the y values over 5, which reduces down to negative 4.
Okay, I get this now.
Okay. We're doing the same thing. It's just now they give us the numbers. With the graph, we got to figure out the numbers first, and then we do the same thing. Well, you got to learn how to do both. Well, that's